In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your Lovable website into a domain, step by step, ensuring you're all set for 2025 and beyond. Let's get started by navigating to the Lovable website. This is where we'll begin the process of transforming your website into something that's truly your own with a custom domain. Once you're on Lovable, go ahead and locate the project you're working on. You should find it listed under your project section. Click on it and it will open up the details for you to start making edits. Now that you have your project open, look for the option labeled Publish. Click on that. This is a crucial step because publishing is what allows your website configurations to be set and ready for visitors. Once you hit Publish, you should see an option called Custom Domain. Go ahead and click on that. This takes you to the next step of customizing your domain, which is an exciting part of the process. After opening the custom domain page, you're going to click on Domains. It's here that you'll see a comprehensive list of domain-related settings and options. Your next step is to click on Connect Domain. This is where you'll input the domain you already own or plan to use for your website. Remember to use the exact host that you want your visitors to type in. You have two options for this. Using www.yourdomain.com, which is generally recommended for ease of use, or you could choose yourdomain.com, also known as the root or apex. Keep in mind that using the root domain might require additional configuration like setting up A records or obtaining alias/and name support, so double check your settings if you go with this option. Perhaps you're curious to delve a bit deeper into how everything works in the background. If so, Lovable has got you covered. They provide resources if you want to learn more about domains and their workings. To explore further details, you can click on How Domains Work right there on the platform. This will take you to a section full of helpful explanations to enhance your understanding. Moreover, should you have any more specific questions or need further clarification, you can navigate to a page that allows you to ask questions directly related to setting up your custom domain. This page is an excellent resource for troubleshooting or gaining deeper insights on issues specific to your domain setup. Utilize this to ensure you're configuring everything correctly and efficiently. With each step clearly laid out, you'll have your Lovable website connected to a custom domain in no time, allowing you to put a unique stamp on your online presence. Stay tuned for more tutorials and happy webmastering.